You guys, dudes, is it snowing outside?
Yeah.
Oh, it's snowing.
Let's go outside.
What are we gonna go do?
We're gonna help some chickens.
We're gonna help some chickens. Go get some chickens. Go get them. Go outside. It's weird weather out there. Look at it. It's snowing. Those dad shoes. Thank you. I'll put those on. Thank you. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the vlog. It's a weird day out on the farm. We are going to do a little bit of farming. We had planned on rototilling a massive section of our yard over there, but it started snowing, so Tyler decided, hey, it's not a good day. And I agree, because it's snowing. It's still farm day. We're still going to focus on working on the farm today, so we are going to go get some little baby chickens. We are not freaking out about the coronavirus, but it does seem that a lot of people are freaking out about it. We don't want to be caught with our pants down, totally unprepared, if we do go on lockdown. So we're also going to grab a few supplies just in case, not because I'm worried about getting sick myself. Well, even though I am one of the most likely people to get sick, being a firefighter and going to sick people's homes all the time, but because there's going to be...
What are you guys doing with all the toilet paper?
There's going to be a shortage on supplies, so we're going to go stock up on like dog food and animal food, and then we're going to get chickens so that we can produce our own food in case there is some sort of lockdown or ban or something on travel. We can be self-sufficient here on our farm.
I am genuinely curious about toilet paper. I couldn't even order some on Amazon.
Nobody knows!
I had to order a bidet.
We just got a bidet. On the road. Get some chickens. You've been wanting chickens forever.
Yes.
I love chickens forever too.
You want some chickens?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's go. They're not food for us.
No, we're gonna eat their eggs.
Go. Okay, guys.
All right, we just arrived at the little country feed store. We're gonna go see if they have any chicks available.
Okay, and cats and dogs.
Okay, and cats and dogs and puppies and horses and goats and sheep.
I would love a goat.
You want a goat?
Yeah.
I'll get you a goat. Hello, chickens.
What?
That's a big old bird right there.
Where?
I want some full size. Look at that fluffy one. Let's go, buddy. Here's some little chicks.
Wait, the gays.
Yeah, these are the goofy looking ones. These need good egg hens.
Oh, the leghorns?
The brown leghorns. How are you supposed to get them? Jesus, they're fast. Oh, oh, he's so cute. Look, he's got a cute little red hat. Okay, little fella. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is so cute, Tess. Come here, you. This is a feisty little one. There we go.
Okay, we'll get one.
Hang on, buddy. They're feisty.
I want to hold one like this.
You want to look at one real quick?
I want to hold one.
No, we can't hold them yet. They're scared. We're going to just look at them. Okay.
Can we get one of the silvers? Or
So we're going to get
two?
We're going to get 3 silvers.
3 silvers?
Come here, you little lively bunch. Ah, it's 2 and 1. And then we can pick a few more. So I want
Will
like...
you get that one guy that's been picked on?
Where?
He's getting picked on.
Which one?
That, you see that guy?
Oh, this guy?
Yeah.
Oh, he doesn't look well.
I know, let's save him.
No, he's sick.
Oh, he's gonna get picked on.
Oh, come here, you little fella. Oh, he's like a little runt. I don't think he's going to be very healthy, but we'll try. We'll try to help him out.
What happened to him?
I don't know, his eye is closed. And he's been picked on. Which one of you guys bullied him?
Do you think it's been picked on, or do you think he's sick?
Could be sick. Might make our other chickens sick. They're cute too.
They're cute too.
We're gonna get a weird one?
Can we get 2 pairs of black ones? These are the fluffy ones. Yeah, black ones.
They're not very good. Eggs are small.
No.
We have to feed them. They won't serve any purpose.
They'll make us happy.
Want this guy?
Yeah.
Oh, he's super soft. Fuzzy.
Let's get two so he has a friend that he has the same burrito.
That's lots of chickens.
Okay.
Why?
How many is that now?
More chicken. Let's eat some more chicken.
It's a buttload.
Hey guys. Guys.
It's a lot more than Tyler
More
has.
chicken?
Tyler has like 6. We have like 15. Do you think it's too many chickens? Gotta feed them all.
No.
That's fine. If it's too many, we'll
We have
eat
a big
them.
garden.
Eat some more
Yeah.
chicken?
All right, buddy. Let's go buy all these chickens.
Okay. Wow, he is like
So we have
two. Because he has
Well,
me.
debit or credit? Got it. Are you going to slide on this?
Oh, he went that way. Get back here.
Calm down, buddy. Oh, so many little chickens. How many we get? 12? 12-ish? 10? Got a lot of chickens.
I'm not chickens.
How much was that? Huh?
150 because of dog
Oh,
food.
that's not bad. Okay. We got ourselves some dog food, cat food, chickens. We're ready.
Okay.
How did you get that? That's like gold. We really got toilet paper?
Yeah.
Oh, did anybody fight you for it?
No, it was in stock.
That's
We
amazing.
were running low, but it was there.
All right, well, that's good. We're not trying to stock up or anything. We just want to be able to wipe our ass.
We got some rice and stuff, you know. It is good to be prepared. But
Yeah, full of chickens in here.
Yeah, you better take good care of them chickens. Cool, good job, babe. We're not going full Armageddon mode, but we're stocking up a little bit just to be safe. There's nothing wrong with being prepared. It's just, my thing is, like, I don't want to clean out supplies and stuff for people that might actually, like, really need it. Like, we're all healthy
like toilet paper.
and we live out in the middle of nowhere. Like, we are relatively safe. But if you're in this, like, you know, if you're like an old lady and need to get some Lysol wipes so you don't frickin' die, people should leave some Lysol wipes on the shelves just in case other people, you don't need frickin' all the Lysol wipes in the world or all the food in the world. That's sort of the frustrating thing of this whole pandemic. You ready?
7, 8.
Alright, chickadee.
Cage.
Aww.
So cute.
There's one.
He's so tiny.
They're so tiny. Yeah, we can pet them. They're so nice and nice. Aww. Wait, they pooped in that box.
They did.
They did. I guess they can just slip right through that cage. So that's not good. Hey, here's our food.
Okay.
Kitty cat's very interested.
Yes.
Yeah.
Wonder if they're gonna eat right away. You guys hungry? You hungry little chickens? Sure.
Because they listened to their mom and dad.
The chickens listen to their mom and dad?
Yeah. Now they can have these chicken food.
Chicken worms.
Chicken worms. You got.
Desiree's got the little runt.
A little sick
Chicken.
one.
Hopefully he's not like sick.
Yeah, hopefully he's just, well, yeah.
Just picked on.
It looks like he's just been picked on.
Yeah, he can't open that eye. But he's eating.
Yeah. I think that's why he was peeping, because he's hungry.
We named him Charlie. Got our little chickens all set up. They're looking so darn cute. And we're gonna have some sustainable eggs here in the near future. So those little chickens are gonna basically take over Carol's old enclosure. And I think what I'm gonna do is make like a chicken tunnel that takes them from the enclosure into Desiree's garden occasionally, so they can kind of go around, pick up scraps after the spring, and fertilize everything. But they won't be able to go in there at all times. You know, otherwise they would just desecrate the garden. But the garden's so big, I do think it'll be nice. So now I'm headed over to Tyler's house. He's got a project on his F-150 that he needs a little bit of help on. And that guy's been so darn helpful that I just feel obligated. I better go help him out. And we might do a little bit of shooting this afternoon as well. Where are you? Hello, my darlings. You'll come home soon. I promise. I promise. Must be down at the house. I don't see him over here. Tyler! Let me in. Whoa, hey! Ford fam! Woo! Ford fam. Up on the lift, we're gonna pull the diff cover off of this furred F-150. Take a look at some gears.
Yeah.
What are we doing? Just changing the oil?
Yeah.
So why do we take the cover off?
Well, there's no drain.
There's no drain on an F-150?
No.
What the hell, man?
Yeah. You have to put in an aftermarket cover if you want a drain.
That is some silly shit.
So you might want to do that.
I'm selling the Ford. I'm out of the Ford fam.
Sell it.
That's it. Last straw for me.
Does the
No drain?
Does the Yoda have a drain plug?
Yeah, of
In the
course.
disc?
Of course it has a drain plug.
It should.
Of course it has a drain plug.
Yeah, they should.
That's crazy.
So you have to crack the whole thing.
And you got to do the gasket every time.
Yeah.
Wow, this is news to me. I'm just learning this
So the
now.
next one, I'll put a drain plug on.
I'm gonna put a drain plug on the Raptor. Well, I wonder if the Raptor has one. Let's find out. I don't really run like that. I don't see one. I don't see a drain plug.
It would be right on the bottom.
Oh well. That's weird, Ford. That's weird. Get them juices flowing.
I need a thicker putty knife. Man!
Now we're going.
It just made a releasing noise. I just heard the whole thing.
Would you describe it as a kerslump?
More of a... Yeah, maybe a kerslump.
Kerslump. That's kind of what I heard. I hate the smell of dipwood.
Oh, it's the worst.
It's so gross. Heard it. There she goes. Ugh. Smell it, Tyler. What's it smell like?
Ugh, it smells like my truck is barfing out the back. What would you say it smells like? As a professional smells like?
It smells like someone dumped old Chinese food into a bird cage. That's bad.
We smell bad smells in our career.
We do. That's gross.
Well, I only wanted a couple, but you know when you pull on the...
Don't you know? We're in a goddamn toilet paper crisis!
This is like money right now.
What are you doing? That could have wiped like 100 asses! Oh, that looks good.
This looks terrible.
That's a nice thick bead.
Thick bead.
All dripping.
Alright.
Alright, the sticker on. Remove that.
Unpack it.
Unpack the wound. We're at Tyler's range now. We're gonna do a little bit of shooting, but my goodness, it's so cold. I set the target up over there. It is so cold. I'm so bad too because Beyond hooked me up. Beyond hooked me up really, really good. I got all the nicest Beyond gear you can think of. I could go down to like 0 degrees weather, but I'm so bad at being prepared that like I don't bring the right stuff. This is not a freezing cold weather jacket, so I have a hoodie underneath it. Oh man, Rick would kill me. Didn't layer properly, and I also didn't wear their fuzzy pants. Still love their gear. It's nice. We're gonna do a little bit of shooting. We got the tarp laid out to catch all of our brass. We got our targets out in the yonder. We're not gonna let a little bit of rain and some coronavirus stop us from enjoying the good old American rights of the bear arms. I think I can hit it from here.
I think you'd have to try.
I don't think I could hit it from here.
I mean, eventually, right?
Yeah! Haha! He improves. That's pretty far.
Yeah.
So I'm just doing like a magazine in the pocket and 2 rounds in the pistol. I'm gonna holster it. Okay. Huh. Ah! Got hung up. Dang it. I want to start over.
You can't start over in the game of life.
Set up.
You're dead now. Time out.
I got a stress card.
Dude, your camera is looks way better in this gloomy day.
Ah! All right, cut all that out. I'm gonna do it.
Hey, this is your camera. You cut out what you want.
All right, try again.
Not bad.
I need, like, it's hard in the pocket. It gets hung up on shit.
Yeah.
I don't like it. Shooting that old box. You want it to collapse, don't you?
I do. I don't think I'm gonna shoot it enough.
It's gonna take a lot of rounds.
There's 17 rounds there.
Yeah, the first 2 are solid. Dang it.
It's all right. 2. These are tiny targets for a gun like that, though. Like, they're little.
We just gotta practice more.
That's true.
Yeah.
We don't practice much.
Huh? I never
I'm never
practice.
shooting.
I never
I
practice.
swear I shot more when I didn't have a range at my house.
I know. Pretty cool.
Oh, low.
Nice. Oh man, it's so cold.
It is freezing out. It is dropping fast.
Yeah, it's really dropping fast. I'm really cold. Whew. Yep. Got a little bit better there towards the end. It's all in the trigger pull. That's what I'm learning. I'm learning. We got some farming to do. We are converting my yard to a garden. Gee, what this? Oh, it's so sweet.